Right now we are under the Societies Act, but eventually our future is that we have an act that looks at corporate security, and therefore every other person who wants to do anything to do with the corporate security will have to adhere to the regulations of this association, and therefore we will weed out some of the quacks. You've seen them on television. Anybody who wants to practice corporate security will have to follow the regulations of this association.
Truth be told, so many times we've seen even professional people in uniform misusing arms, yet they have taken 6 months, 7 months, 15 months, 3 years now of professional training. What about this person who is coming from, your background back at home? He just left very hungry and comes and somebody tells him, we can use your arm, and we achieve something out of it.
So if you meet guys who do not match up to the standards of a professional security officer because they are paid in bananas, so essentially they are monkeys, then that is exactly what you're treating your security, considerations to as an organization.